This is a quick video to show how to install both the PigVision mobile sows and grower apps. This demo will be shown on an Android device, but the principles are the same for the App Store on an iOS device. So firstly, you go to the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS device. We'll go to the Play Store. So we tap on the app in the middle of the screen there, the Play Store. And now we go into the search bar right at the top and we type in PigVision. Okay, and then we press the search or enter on our keyboard and it'll find the two apps for us. So at the top is PigVision Mobile Sows, you can see it's highlighted, or you can go for the grower app, which is this one here, third in the line there. Okay, if you want to install, you tap on the one you want to install, so we're going to go for the sow app. When this comes up, as you can see, it's showing up the options uninstall or open. That's because it's already installed on my device. If you haven't installed it, then there'll be a button across the screen saying install, so you just tap on install with that. And if we want to install the grower app, it'll be exactly the same, so we're going to tap on that and you'll see again uninstall or open already there because I've installed it, but on your screen for the first time you will see install. Okay, so we go back to our sow app because we want to show that. When it's ready, this is what you will see. So we just tap on open and this will now open the app and you will show the login screen for the first time, and Agrosoft will give you your customer number and password, so we're just going to type them in and then the password, which mine's already saved, so I'm going to paste it in, and then but you will type that out onto that onto the screen, and then when you're ready tap login and you will see it will log in to your farm. And now you can see this is my farm here, so all I would do to log in would be just to tap there and then I go in. So any questions you've got on how to install the apps, please contact your local Agrosoft or AgriVision representative. Thank you.